I wanted to go over the recovery I've had after my trigger finger surgery. It's been 2.5 months now, and there's not a lot of videos that go over the recovery process and everything after the surgery. So you can see the scar is still barely visible. It's in that crease there, so it's very hard to see. Overall, my hand, I have full use of my hand again, no locking, no triggering. There's been a couple differences, I'd say, in my hand. The swelling has finally gone down. That took about 2 months to go away completely. The only kind of things I do notice is I don't have a lot of flexibility in my fingers yet. So those are some of the exercises I do every day to make sure I get flexibility back into my fingers. And the other thing is my middle finger, I had to go up a ring size in it. So it has not gone down in size since the surgery. But overall, I think the recovery is going very well. I do use my little exercise ball here, stress ball, to continue to get the strength back into my hand. And I'd say I'm at least 90% there. I do notice that if I do a lot of things that kind of push on the palm of my hand, like holding stuff for a long time, my hand does tend to get sore after a while. But over most things, I don't really notice much of a difference. So overall, I think I am very pleased so far with the progress. And I would say I'm hoping in another month or do another follow-up video, and I'm hoping to be basically at 100%. So there is some recovery with this surgery, but compared to when I wasn't able to use my hand because my ring and pinky fingers would always lock up and I'd have to open them up with my other hand. So overall, I think it's been a huge success. So again, if you're thinking about having that surgery, I've had a good experience with it, and hopefully you will be able to as well. If you'd like to watch my other videos in this series, please watch the playlist here.